guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today I'll be sharing with you a very simple 3-step skincare routine. All products are from Estee Lauder and you can pick them up from Purple Splurge as well. I recently got them on Purple Splurge, and in case you're wondering what is Purple Splurge, guys, well, it's a shop in shop at purple.com. So when you go to purple.com, there's basically a segment of purple.com which is called Purple Splurge. I'll put the link in the description box below where you can check it out. And they have all kinds of luxury products, beauty products, fragrances, and all things awesome. And even the packaging is extra special, like you can probably see. The packaging is also extra special. Inside this box, you get all of the products in this little bag. Inside the box, there is this little velvet bag in which you get all the products. So I'll put all the links in the description box below. And yes, guys, it's just a 3-step complete skincare routine where I'll be removing my makeup, cleansing my skin, toning my skin, applying a serum and a cream, all of it in just 3 steps. So first we have the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Cleanser. It's actually a 3-in-1 cleanser. And do you see the first step which it does is removing the makeup? It literally melts away the makeup, guys, even the long stay ones. I'm actually wearing the long stay kajal right now, and it just removes all the impurities without leaving any oily residue behind. The first time I tried this product, I was so amazed because it removes the makeup, it cleans the skin, it also tones the skin. To be very honest, guys, I have actually tried out multiple cleansers in the past which also claim to remove makeup. But usually they do take a lot of effort, a lot of time to actually remove the makeup, and still I end up with some residue or the other if it's a long stay makeup. Next, I have with me what I like to call the star of my night skincare routine, which is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Here's how you can use it using the heart ritual so you don't ever forget. Just take a few drops on your fingertips and apply this starting from the corners of your nose, working your way towards the chin in a heart shape. Do the same, tracing a larger heart from the middle of the forehead, gliding down to the temples. As simple as that. It's a fast absorbing formula which helps in firming and pore minimizing, gives you overnight radiance with a 72-hour hydration with collagen boosting power. Now, like I always say, guys, during the night is when your skin can repair itself the best, because there's not much happening. Your skin is just resting like the rest of your body. So when you're resting, your skin can really heal and repair itself. And I have found this formula to be so amazing, guys. Do you see how instantly it makes my skin look much better? Like just before I applied this formula, this is how my skin was looking, and this is a very visible difference right away. During the morning time, like this formula is a night skincare formula, but personally, even like I like to use it during the morning time also. During the morning time, it's something which helps in protecting your skin from environmental damages. And when you sleep at night with your skin looking like this, feeling pampered, feeling so good, well hydrated, well moisturized with collagen boosting power, you wake up in the morning with your skin looking much better, much more radiant. It literally gives you overnight radiance, guys. You have to try it to know it, but if you can tell this on camera, it is a very, very fast absorbing formula, and immediately after applying it, you start feeling a lot better. Your skin starts feeling a lot better. For the last and final step in today's 3-step routine, I have with me the Estee Lauder Day Wear Antioxidant 72-hour Hydration Sorbet Cream, and contains 5 antioxidants plus a broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 15, which makes it so amazing and so powerful. Now let me just show you how this formula actually works its way into the skin, okay? It's a very smooth, silky formula. You don't even have to use a lot, just a little bit. So guys, all the products I'm showing you, in case you haven't been able to tell yet, these are all mini sized products of the mini-sized products, but you don't actually need to use a lot of it. So even the links I'll share in the description box below, guys. No matter what size you end up opting for, just make sure you use the right quantity. You won't need to use a lot. And as for this cream, guys, do you see how well and how fast this absorbs into the skin again? And that's it. The skin instantly feels smoother, healthier, much better, right? And because it contains SPF 15, it actually protects the skin much better from environmental damages, not just sun pollution. Actually, this is because it contains antioxidants and SPF 15. It protects the skin from environmental damages, from sun damage, and it also helps to lock in your products really well. I love this formula, guys. I am actually, like the first time I actually tried this routine was during the night time. Then I tried again in the morning. And over the next 2 to 3 days, I actually tried these products when I was traveling. And throughout my trip, I was noticing, like how my skin was progressively just getting better. And considering the fact that I've only used them for a few times and I have actually seen a difference, one can only imagine how fantastic it will be if you start using it on a more regular basis. So guys, these are the 3 products I wanted to share with you all today. These are all mini variants like I just showed you, and they're all available starting at the price of rupees 1250. You can find out more and check for the details in the description box below. And guys, if you have tried any products from Estee Lauder before, if you have any favorites of your own, or if you have tried any of these products yourself, please share your comments in the comment section below. Share your feedback. Let me know what your experience has been like. For me, this range has been so amazing, so interesting to discover, because I can literally see the transformation in my skin every single time I use it. Like when I started off to how my skin is looking right now, right? It's absolutely amazing. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Sorry, just looking at my skin. Thank you so much for watching. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.